How to turn on people you might know SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on people you might know SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications and go down, click this one, people you might know, and then just turn SMS on and go back, it will be saved, and then just that's how to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.